All right, I have a math problem for you guys today. I have in front of me, I hope you can see, some oranges. All right, these were inside of a big bowl. So I had a bowl with 9 oranges in it. Okay, so you want to make sure you're paying attention to the total number as I say it. So I have a bowl with 9 oranges in it. Okay, but I've noticed that some of these oranges, unfortunately, have gone bad, have spoiled, and before I was able to eat them. So I take some oranges out of the bowl. All right. And now I have a total of 6 oranges in the bowl. So my question to you is, how many oranges did I take away? If you remember, we were doing the sides strategy at school right before we got out for this little extended break. So in this, guys, the question, the sentence, the first S is the sentence, right? Mr. Falk took blank oranges out. Okay, that's the number I have not given you. If you remember, I started out with 9 total oranges in the bowl. So I had 9 oranges in the bowl. I took some of those oranges out because I discovered that some of my oranges had spoiled and gotten rotten before I was able to eat them. Now I have 6 oranges left in the bowl. I want you to figure out how many oranges I took out of the bowl. Okay. So remember that in our using our side strategy, the first S is for the sentence. The I is important words. Your D is to draw a picture. E for the equation. And S is the final S is how you solve it. Okay. So if you would put in the comment section, tell me how many oranges I took away. All right, so that's the answer I'm looking for, is how many oranges did I take out, because I didn't tell you. Okay, I told you my total that I started with, and I told you I took some out, and then I ended up having 6 left. So I want to know, how many did I actually take out? Thanks a lot, guys. And you've got your math workbooks also to work in. So I would like you guys to each day choose 2 pages that you can do out of your math workbook. All right. Choose 2 pages to do out of your math workbook. All right. Great talking with you this morning, and have a great day. Bye.